Hey guys, you're welcome to another edition. Today we are going to be talking about ways to fall in love with your partner every day. Relationships take time and effort. The honeymoon period doesn't last forever. Sometimes we have to fall in love with our partners more than once during our time with them. There's no shame in it, and it's totally normal in many relationships, especially long-term ones. Falling in love with your partner repeatedly will make the relationship strong and last long. Now, here are ways that we can fall in love with our partners every single day. 1. Focus on positive. Negativity can worm its way right into your relationship before you even realize it. Things about your partner that you once liked might begin to irritate you. In order to fall in love with your partner every single day, you want to take a step back and look at all the positives. What is it about your partner that you love? What drew you to them in the first place? Remember all of the good, positive things about your partner and you will be falling in love every day. 2. Make time to talk every day. Relationships thrive on communication. Relationships grow stale generally because the couple avoid confronting the issues. When there isn't time to check in and talk with your partner, relationships tend to falter. One way to fall in love with your partner every day is to make sure you make time to talk with them. Check in and talk about your days or how you're feeling. 3. Sharing your feelings with someone can help you fall in love. And who better to fall in love with than your partner? 3. Do something to make them smile. Remember how much you loved seeing your partner smile when you first started dating. Smiling is contagious, and it can make people fall for one another. To fall in love every day, you should see your partner smile. And the best way to see them smile? Do something to make them smile. Not only will you be doing something nice for your partner, but you'll also be falling in love every time you do. 4. Stay intimate. Intimacy is one of the things that relationships begin to lack as the years go on. If you want to fall in love and stay in love, intimacy is one of those things you have to keep working at. Don't take your love for granted, and don't forget to keep yourselves turned on and continue to seduce your partner. Being with your partner should feel natural, not like a chore. Find time to spend together in an intimate and private setting. You will start falling in love with your partner a little more every day when you keep seeing them at their most intimate. 5. Address any issue right away. Don't let things fester. A key to falling in love every day is making sure that you don't let problems get bigger than they need to be. When an issue pops up, sit down and see if you can find a solution as soon as you can. You'll find that compromising will help you fall in love with your partner all over again every single day. Working through problems together is key to staying happy and long-lasting. 6. Give yourself time to miss them. Every relationship needs to have healthy boundaries, and everyone needs to have time to themselves. If you want to fall in love with your partner every day, you need to give yourself time to miss them. Spend some time alone with friends or with family. Take a day trip without your partner so that when you go home to yours truly, you'll both be recharged and ready to come together even stronger. You'll be surprised how much love you feel when you give yourself a chance to miss seeing your partner every day. 7. Flirt like teenagers. When you're in a long-term relationship, you sometimes forget all the fun that flirting can be. Find time during your day to remind your partner how much you want them and how attractive you think they are. Flirt throughout the day or send flirty text messages for them to find while they are at work. Getting back into the habit of flirting with your partner will have you both falling in love every day. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content.